Handmade furniture is the best furniture there is because it's made by hands, not machines. There are two kinds. There's obviously do-it-yourself furniture. Then there's custom-made furniture. Let's take a look at some of the good points and the bad points of each. Hi, and welcome to the Les Paris podcast for extensive English listening. This is episode 310, and it's naturally about the handmade furniture. These podcasts are great for listening to a wide variety of vocabulary. Do-it-yourself furniture. Do-it-yourself furniture is, as the name implies, furniture that you make by yourself. If you make the furniture by yourself, it's going to take a lot of time. If you're like me, you're probably not very good at making these things because it's not your job. The resulting quality won't be as good either. On the other hand, you're going to have tremendous satisfaction. You know that you built it, and if you want to modify it later, it's no problem, because after all, you built it. You also get the satisfaction of making the furniture exactly fit what you want it to fit to. My friend made a lot of the furniture in his house, and it was really cool. He made furniture that doesn't exist anywhere else. I saw the furniture. I thought that he's really lucky to have handmade furniture made exactly the way he wants it. On the other hand, you might not be very good. It might not be very strong, or maybe it won't look very good either. You might also have higher costs. You see, commercial furniture is mass-produced. It might be made of cheaper materials, but they cost less. Custom-made furniture. On the other hand, custom-made furniture is probably going to be pretty expensive. You get the benefit of knowing it's made well, and it's almost certainly going to be good looking. If you get really expensive custom-made furniture, it might be made exactly to the order of your house. It might even be built into your house and attached to your house. Built-in furniture. Furniture that's attached to the house can be a real benefit. I noticed that one of the Frank Lloyd Wright buildings in Japan had furniture that was built into the house. It looks much easier to clean because you can't move the furniture. You just clean around it. It's also going to be made of higher quality materials because most custom-made furniture makers aren't going to use low quality material. But the problem is it's going to be really expensive. And because it's expensive, you don't want to use it too much and you don't want to damage it, so it might not be good for you to relax around the house with custom-made furniture in it. But you could feel really good if your friends come to visit. You can show off the beautiful furniture in your house. There's no doubt in my mind, handmade furniture is going to be better, even if it isn't pretty. Either it's pretty or it's cheap, and you can feel relaxed around it. But either way, you're going to love it. If you like listening to English for your extensive listening, then hit the subscribe button below now so you can get more of my podcasts. I'd love it if you made a comment below too. Tell me about your handmade furniture or what you want to make.